Massive row over Kamal Haasan's film is what we are picking up. In fact, that's a big breaking news which is coming in from the Supreme Court, which has directed the Karnataka government to file a reply on the petition seeking safe and unimpeded release of Kamal Haasan's film A Thug Life. Huge positive direction which is coming in for Kamal Haasan, the actor turned politician. In fact, the court has remarked that we can't allow a mob to take over the streets. We can't allow this to happen. It also said that people may not come and see the film, but it cannot be that because of the people threatening that we will come and burn the cinema house, that the film will not be released. The court has also transferred the plea which has been filed by the producer of the film before the Karnataka High Court. In fact, the court has listed the matter for further hearing on 19th of June. That's big breaking news which is coming in. Let me go across to Dipankar, who's joining us with more details. Dipankar, this is very interesting. After the High Court sought an apology, now the Supreme Court is coming out and saying that Thug Life must release.
Well, yes, the Supreme Court was hearing the petition that was filed seeking an unimpeded release of Kamal Haasan's movie, The Thug Life. And the Supreme Court came down heavily upon the Karnataka High Court, saying that it cannot, in fact, ask for seek an apology from Kamal Haasan, and has transferred the case that was going on before the Karnataka High Court to the Supreme Court, where it will hear the hearing on hear the matter on Thursday and will further adjudicate upon it. Apart from that, the Supreme Court has also asked the Karnataka government to file a counter affidavit that is a reply before the Supreme Court, and will take it up for hearing on Thursday. The court, while saying so, had said that it cannot allow the mobs to take over the street, and it cannot allow the mobs to dictate whether the film should be released or not, saying that we are the custodian of the fundamental rights and we are the custodian of the rule of law, and the rule of law dictates that once the CBFC has granted a certification, the film has to be released. So we'll have to wait and watch as to what happens on Thursday, when the matter will continue hearing, when the hearing will continue before the Supreme Court. Absolutely. And we'll have to see how the court takes the matter forward. Over to you.
Well, of course, the Karnataka government's reply has been sought by the Supreme Court. Thursday is when we expect to hear, but the observations are very stern. You can't allow the mobs to take over the streets. The film will probably now release. In fact, let me go across and remind you what exactly it is that the actor turned politician Kamal Haasan had said in the first place about the origins of Kannada, saying that it is born out of Tamil itself. This is the original bite, and also we are going to remind you how he justified his comments over the next few days.
I've been threatened before, and if I am wrong, I will apologize. If I'm not, I won't. It's my lifestyle. Please don't tamper with it.